Good morning and welcome back to Old School Studios. Today I'm going to reveal two more future builds. These are both Trek 700s, multi-tracks. Both of extreme quality, lightweight, racing touring bikes. I thought they were exactly the same, but apparently they're a little bit different. Looks like this one's a little shorter and has different variances in them. Like this one over here has Trek stamped into the chassis and this one doesn't. They're obviously from two different bike shops. This one's from Eddie's in Stowe, which is a very quality bike store. This one is from a bike store out of Rocky River, Ohio. A little shorter. This one I got on trade from a bike that I found in the garbage that had a front disc brake, and traded from my buddy. He said the seat was too high, so I traded him. I took off the rack and the seat sits right where it needs to sit. It's like driving a Cadillac. This one I haven't rode yet. I got it a couple days ago, took it all apart, cleaned and waxed the frame, cleaned the rims up. They had some spotting and a couple rusty spokes. Some of the hardware I threw in the ultrasonic cleaner, put a new chain on it. Chain was rusty, the back sprocket was rusty. I got that cleaned up. The handlebars are kind of a mess, but I can't really switch the handlebars easily because they have the brake running through the handlebar. Both of them have the same gig going. The brake goes through the handlebar. And both of them seem to have a handlebar issue. This one needs new grips. The grips are toast on this. This one, the grips ain't so bad. They were nasty. I cleaned them with lacquer thinner. I was waxing the bike with black wax. See that? Filling in anything I seen on the frame, any scratches. All in all, the frame on both of them are nice for older bikes. But I was thinking both of these getting motors. And I even got my sister interested. She said, "Oh, wouldn't it be cool if we all had one to ride in Florida?" And I said, "That would be cool." So that's a possibility. I'm going in July and it's May 1st. It'd be nice to get a bunch of bikes going, and we rent a big old van to go to Florida, so there's plenty of room. But yeah, these are two future builds. I'm going to take this one for a test ride right now and run through the gears, and I'll let you know how that goes. Back tire obviously has some form of leak. It could be the belt stem, could be the tube. It appears to be a micro tube. I don't know if they even sell that other than a bike store.